In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use collections in Microsoft Edge, step by step, so you can save websites, organize research, and keep useful pages in one easy place. Collections is a really helpful feature if you're gathering ideas, shopping online, planning a project, or just want to save pages without creating a mess of bookmarks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge and look to the top right corner of your browser. There, you'll see the Collections icon. It looks like a square with a plus sign, or a little paper stack, depending on your version of Edge. Click that icon to open the Collections panel. Once the panel opens, you'll see the option to start a new collection. Click Start New Collection and then give your collection a name. For example, you might name it Travel Ideas, Work Research, School Project, or Shopping List. Choosing a clear name helps you stay organized and makes it easier to find everything later. After you've created your collection, keep browsing as usual. When you land on a website you want to save, go back to the Collections panel. You'll see an option that says Add Current Page. Click that, and Microsoft Edge will save the page directly into your collection. That means the page title, link, and often a preview will be stored together, so you can come back to it anytime. You can repeat this process for as many websites as you want. If you're doing research, you can keep adding articles, product pages, or helpful references into the same collection. If you're planning something, you can organize each topic into separate collections, so everything stays neat and easy to manage. This is one of the best ways to collect information without losing track of important pages. Another great thing about collections is that it helps you work faster. Instead of opening dozens of tabs and hoping you remember them later, you can save everything in one place and return to it whenever you need. It's especially useful if you're comparing products, gathering sources, or collecting inspiration for a project. If you ever want to view what you've saved, just click the Collections icon again and open the collection you created. From there, you can review the pages you added and continue building your list over time. So to quickly recap, click the Collections icon, start a new collection, name it, and then use Add Current Page whenever you find something worth saving. It's simple, fast, and a great way to stay organized inside Microsoft Edge. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.